Cat, that's Abby. Here is her room. Jenny B. And her laptop. No, not the big one. This is her stuffed toys. This is a buyog. Look. It's so obvious, diba? Oh my god. It's Dodo. It's Popo. No. It's no. Nakakabalaw. This is Mickey Mouse. It is her brother Pig playing Alice.
Her! Ikaw!
The prettiest woman.
Ew.
This Honey Buyog.
Stop na!